e-signing with Adobe Sign and the SharePoint Connector. Hey, I'm Eric. One of the cool extended features we have in the SharePoint Connector is the ability to perform e-signature operations. So we can take a document that is stored in SharePoint through the SharePoint Connector and send it to a signature service. We support two services in the app. We support Adobe Sign and we support Docu Sign. I'm going to show how it works with Adobe Sign in this video, so we might as well get right to it. Here is my Business Central, and as I told you, I have configured Adobe Sign, and that's mainly by going into the Adobe Sign portal and get some API keys and putting them into this page, and then you're ready to go. We have marked Adobe Sign active. So let's try to do this. I'm going to a customer. I think I'm going to this customer, and on this customer we have document, very important contract, and we would like the customer to sign this, or somebody to sign it. I'll actually sign it. So I select this guy, go up here, and because we have activated Adobe Sign, we suddenly have another option in the menu here called e-signing. So I select that, and now I select who's going to sign this, and I'm just going to select myself. I can also add additional documents to attach as documentation attachments, so everything will become one big document. But in this simple demo here, I'm just going to send that one document. I can add multiple receivers if multiple people have to sign the document, but I'm just going to do me. And so I put in my name and my email, and I send it to Adobe Sign for signature. What we can see down here now, the status is sent to Adobe, meaning that we have from the SharePoint Connector sent it to Adobe. So right away we can ask Adobe, what is the status on this guy? And you heard a beep. Maybe you heard a beep. I click check Adobe Sign status, and we get a out for signature, meaning that it has been delivered to my email. And if I look at another screen, I can see that, yeah, I have received a mail. Let's actually see if I can do this in a proper way here. So, and I have a funky accent because I'm Danish, and Adobe is very convinced that I'm Danish, so it writes to me in Danish. Anyway, there is a link saying that I can sign this guy. So I will open this in a new browser, the link from the email. Normally I would just click in the email, but because I'm already logged into Adobe with a different account, then yeah. Anyway, so here is Adobe's website, and I can actually, let me just switch this to English so we can see what happens. I get the document that we had in Business Central, and I can click here to sign. We get a signature from me that I had recorded earlier with Adobe Sign. I click to sign it. The document is signed, all set. So if we check in here now, we can see check Adobe status. And this takes just a second because now we can see it's signed and that the signed document has already been downloaded. So we can close this guy and see that suddenly we have another version of the very important contract here, the signed version. And if we look at this, we can see that that's the signed document, and now I'm using a test account, so I get all this ugliness, but behind the scene the PDF is also signed with all the proper encryption keys and stuff like that. So it's a proper signed document, and it's sitting here in the SharePoint Connector. So that is the process of signing documents through the SharePoint Connector. There are ways, if you want to automate it, there are ways for your partner or somebody else to make code that will, when a signed document comes back, you may want to release an order or what kind of automation you can do. So you can hook into this process from custom development if you want to. That's e-signing with Adobe Sign on the SharePoint Connector. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us, or you can check some of the other videos on the SharePoint Connector and try it out in your own system. Have fun.